In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove minimum age restrictions on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and after that just tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile page. Now we need to tap at these three lines to head over to settings and activity, and that's where if we scroll down a bit we can easily find creator tools and controls. Here we'll find minimum age option, and then if you get into it we'll find here all minimum age restrictions. Here we got actually two categories. The first is default. Here we can see minimum age restriction for people everywhere. Now it is set to 18 years old, and from here if we tap right there we'll be able to change it. And also by hitting add or remove we can easily remove that restriction. And also for Argentina it is set to 25 years of minimum age required to see my account, including posts, stories, and my Instagram profile itself. From here we can also remove, if you have maybe several countries here, from here you can easily remove any of the restrictions. And then to save the changes, don't forget to hit add done. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.